Morning, Jaco.
Morning, Martin. How are you doing?
Good, good, good. Good to finally see you.
Ah,
Uh,
nice one.
Thanks for giving me some of your time. I know you're very, very busy, so really appreciate this. So I'm not going to keep you long. Let's dive straight in and tell us where you're from and what you do.
Yeah, so I'm from Cape Town. I've stayed all whole life in Cape Town almost. I work as a CTO for a company, taking care of everything technical, coding, development, systems, automations, and things like that. So, yeah, I'm basically into the tech space.
Okay, nice, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Nice fit for the robot.
Yes,
Um,
yes, yes. Yeah, that's why I'm so. That's why I was so intrigued with the robot when I first heard about the robot.
okay, how long have you been trading with us?
So I think it's about 19 months, 20 months, more or less.
Okay,
I think I started December of, let me just have a quick look here. I can tell you exactly when I started. It was in December of 2023.
okay, so heading for 2 years now.
Yes, yeah.
Okay,
This coming
nice.
December, it will be 2 years.
You started with a Learn to Read course.
That's correct. So I always were quite interested in trading and, getting into the trading space, but my lifestyle is so busy. But I thought, hey, let's give it a shot, and I signed up for that. Learn to read the Forex Charts, which is amazing. All the video series, learned a lot from it. But I soon realized that because of my busy lifestyle and work, you know, I don't have a lot of time to spend on the charts. So then I've decided to actually look into the robot, and I think I then signed up after about a month or so. I actually signed up for the robot as well. But I must say the learn to read the Forex chart really helped me out a lot. Just to learn all the basics and strategies and what to look for and things like that.
I remember you were a bit hesitant at first before you signed up.
Yeah, look, you always, when you hear something about trading and robots and, automated things like that, you're always worried about it because, as we all know, in today's day and age, there's so many scams going around and people trying to steal your money and promise you the world. And at the end of the day, you get nothing back and you just lose a bunch of money. So look, I think if someone is not skeptical, they've got too much money. So if they don't care to lose money. So yeah, I was skeptical, but I think that's quite normal.
But the industry is full of scams.
Yeah. So
Okay.
so I actually just looked at what I did, where I made my mistakes, and I decided, look, if you look at the returns you can make in a month, even on low risk, it's way more than you can make putting your money in the bank, So why not just take a step back and go on low risk and see what you get? And what I must also say is I revisited the Learn to Read Forex charts, and I made sure that I know what's going on and know what to look for to give you some kind of an indication when the market is going to reverse, or if the trend is going up or down, north or south. And that really helped me to also manage my risk better. So if I saw signs that, hey, the market might reverse, I put my risk to a minimum, And if I see, okay, we kind of ready to reverse back up again, I added a little bit more of risk, but not crazy risk. And that really helped me a lot to get the maximum profit still on low risk at the right time. I had a couple of things that I did. So I think the very first one was way too much risk.
Okay.
Market reversed on me, drawdown spiked, and I was down in the dumps, and I didn't know how to get out of it. Although there's excellent videos and trade strippers and things out there that can actually help you get out of it, but I just wanted to get out of it, and I just decided to take the knock, close the trades, and just start fresh. And I took a knock of about think it was $1,200.
Okay. Ouch.
Ouch, it was quite rough. And I regrouped, formed this nice strategy, low risk, look at the markets. And within a month or two, I made that all back. So
Wow.
that was actually quite amazing. So I was very chuffed with myself.
So if we look at from November, what was your balance? So just go up a bit there to the left, where the blue and the red meet there. 5,400.
Yes.
5,400 in November, end of October. Okay.
Yeah.
And your balance now is $10,123.
Yeah, $10,123.
So you've doubled your account balance just about in 7 months.
Yes.
After taking 3 substantial knocks.
Yes.
It's amazing. And it's been volatile. Gold dropped a lot. So
I can tell you my exact drawdown. Just quickly access my VPS. I don't have to use a calculator because I've got it actually shows you everything. I'm sitting on a global drawdown of 0.36%. I might go in. Look, I've got MT4 running on my phone. So during the day, I'll say, wonder what the market is doing. Open up my phone. Okay, no, cool. It looks good. I don't need to worry. So I do check that. Everybody would probably check what the market is doing. So maybe 2 or 3 times a day, I go on my phone and just see what the market is doing. But actually going into my VPS to change settings, not even once a week.
wow.
I haven't changed settings in probably 2 weeks.
What would you say to someone who's sitting on the fence? Someone who's looking at the robot, they're not sure, they're hesitant. Like, what would your advice be? What would you suggest they do?
I would definitely recommend it. As you can see, I've made money. I'm making money while I'm sleeping, you know. Today's day and age, you need to get ahead, and you'll need to make your money work for you. I would definitely recommend it, but I would also recommend, remember, in the beginning, it's going to be slow and it's going to be new.